Hey YouTube, just wanted to show you what I'm working on, I guess. This is a International Harvester diesel motor. I'm not going to go into specifics. I'm guessing late 60s. Pulled all the sleeves out, cleaned out the cylinders. Of course, you see some of them came out whole and some of them came out in pieces. Different pulling devices in action. So you see that, and then see what we got here. Brand spank new ones. So figure I'd give you guys a shot of this since we're all kind of motorheads. Here it is. Brand spanking new. Gonna run like a new motor. Of course, you got the ring compressor. Everybody knows that. And we got to put new bearings in the bottom end for the crank. And then of course the last two rod bearings. I have to reuse the original rods. It's no big deal because they're fine. But taking this pile, piston, rod, wrist pin, assembling it into these, then we sink it into that. And another big thing that happened to me this week, my ring and pinion differential spider gears went bad. I know I ain't got the best welding, but for the price it cost for new spider gears was $480. And I ain't really got that much right now. I got a homestead to take care of, animals, feed, and a woman, of course. And you know they ain't cheap. So alright guys, figure I'd give you an update. That's Bleached PC's engine. I gotta get that crated up yet. Just been busy, and then the truck had to go down, so catch you later.